It's a cocky afternoon, and it's also Corella afternoon. It's cheeky. I'm sure that's cheeky. Cheeky! Maybe not. Cheeky. No. They all look the same. And look who's just dropped in over there. Where are you? Mr. Kingy. Chook chook. Get you some seed. Sorry, it's a bit wobbly this video because I'm trying to. Oh, he's taking the other seed. Doesn't matter. Not a very good video. I apologise. Try and concentrate a bit more. Certainly it's a pecking order with these birds. There he is. And Mrs. Kingy's around somewhere. Well, she was here yesterday. Don't know where she is right now. There's a lorikeet up there. He's going to try and come down. Ah, here's Mrs. Kingy. She saw me and flew off. Most birds tend to do that with me. These lorikeets are going to try and get the seed. I don't know where Mrs. Kingy has gone. She's up in the tree there, I can see her. Come on, Mrs. Kingy. Come on. Mr. Kingy up there, and Mrs. Kingy is, if you can see, is up there as well. They won't get a look in with the lorikeets around. Lorikeets tend to control the situation around here. Here comes Mr. Kingy, he's coming down. Let's see his tail there. That's Mrs. Kingy over there to the left, her tail. This pair of king parrots have been coming around now, oh, I'd say at least 4, 5, maybe 6 years now. Just a bit of a circus here. Okay, I'll let these guys eat in peace.